I just want to show you something. I just thought of it a second ago. You should always test things to make sure they're square, like as in this aluminium. I knew that it was pretty square because I measured it off and all that sort of thing, but you just check your internal corner. I don't go rushing around for a square. A nice tile is always square. Can you see that, everyone? Bloody beautiful. So I know that's perfect. Right, we'll just hit it with the roller. Da 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 da. Nice, eh? Nice. Oh. I never worry about whether my waterproof is straight and all that sort of carry on. To me, that's just a lot of hoo-ha. Doesn't need to be straight. It needs to be above your tap. But it doesn't need to be leveled off and with masking tape and God knows what. No. No. A lot of people take off their cornice. These people aren't, and it still looks all right, especially with a white tile, and you try and get in as close as you can, and you're laughing. I don't roll my floor, I always brush my shower floor. I'll turn off that fan. It's drying a little bit too fast. I'll turn it on once I've done it, and then it can dry, and I'll be back to do another coat. I always do 3 coats in my shower, 2 like this, and then my shower base 3, and it acts as my slurry when I tile. I'll show you tomorrow that. All the time you're looking for little imperfections like that you've got, that you've caused a bit of a hole. You get it on your second and third coat, but you're always aware. See that? Well, let me just make sure of that, and that one, and that one. Nice one. Send us a comment. I'd love to, if you've got a little bit of a problem or you're not sure on doing anything, just send us a comment, and I'll endeavour to reply. See ya!